Did you know? The next world war could begin with a single drone strike or a cyber attack? With global tensions rising between NATO, China, Russia, and the US, World War III is no longer just a theory, it's a terrifying possibility. But what would it actually look like? If it started tomorrow? Who starts it? A Chinese invasion of Taiwan. A Russian strike against a NATO country. A misfired missile over the Korean peninsula. These are the flashpoints, and the moment one triggers, the rest of the world could follow. Under NATO's Article 5, a single attack on one member means war for all 31 military powers in action. Within hours, the US would activate global bases. Aircraft carriers would reposition. Missile defense systems would go live across Europe and Asia. Russia could respond with long-range missiles. China might unleash AI-powered drones and hypersonic weapons. Cyber attacks would hit infrastructure, power grids, banks, and satellites. This wouldn't just be boots on the ground. It would be a high-tech, multi-front war fought in the air, sea, space, and online. Nuclear escalation. And then, there's the nuclear threat. 9 nations hold over 12,000 nuclear warheads. The US and Russia alone control 90% of them. If either side felt cornered, the doctrine of mutually assured destruction could turn theory into reality. Cities could vanish. Radiation could spread across continents. Nuclear winter could block sunlight for years. The global fallout. Even if nukes weren't used, the consequences would be catastrophic. Oil prices would spike. Stock markets would crash. Shipping routes would freeze. Food shortages, internet blackouts, and mass refugee movements would ripple across the globe. No one would be truly safe, even neutral countries. Who might survive? Some studies suggest that remote nations like New Zealand, Bhutan, and Iceland could survive longer due to geography and self-sufficiency. But surviving isn't the same as living. The economic, emotional, and environmental damage would reshape life on Earth for generations. Question to viewers. We like to believe global war is unthinkable. But history shows us, the unthinkable can become real in a single moment. So here's the question. If World War III started tomorrow, would anyone truly win? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe to FactSnap for more real-world facts.